English cooking phrases explained. Rotate the pan. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to dive into a common phrase used in English cooking instructions. Rotate the pan. Whether you're an aspiring chef or just someone looking to improve your English cooking vocabulary, this video is for you. Let's explore what this phrase means and how it's used in the kitchen. Rotate the pan is a phrase often found in baking and cooking recipes. It means to turn or spin the pan around to ensure even cooking or baking. This is especially important in ovens where heat distribution might be uneven. By rotating the pan, you make sure that all parts of your dish receive the same amount of heat, resulting in evenly cooked or baked food. You'll typically find the instruction to rotate the pan in recipes involving the oven, like baking cakes, roasting vegetables, or cooking meats. It's usually done halfway through the cooking or baking time. For example, if a cake needs to bake for 30 minutes, you would rotate the pan after the first 15 minutes. Safety is key when rotating a hot pan. Always use oven mitts or a thick cloth to protect your hands. Grasp the pan firmly, and gently turn it 180 degrees. If your oven has racks, be careful not to tilt the pan and spill its contents. It's a simple yet crucial step in cooking. A common mistake is forgetting to rotate the pan, leading to unevenly cooked food. Another is rotating the pan too frequently, which can cause heat loss and affect cooking times. Remember, typically once is enough, halfway through the cooking or baking time. That's all about the phrase, rotate the pan. Remember, this simple action can make a big difference in your cooking and baking results. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you in your English language learning and culinary adventures. Happy cooking!